Maximizer CRM review and tutorial. Is Maximizer CRM the best CRM for small businesses? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at Maximizer CRM. Maximizer is a customer relationship management software designed to help businesses improve sales, marketing, and customer service, all in one platform. But is it the right CRM for you? Well, in this tutorial, I'll be breaking down Maximizer CRM's features, pros and cons, pricing, and what real users think about it. Let's dive in. What is Maximizer CRM and how does it work? Maximizer CRM is a cloud-based and on-premise CRM solution that provides tools for contact management, sales automation, and customer support. It's designed for businesses that need a simple yet powerful CRM without the complexity of enterprise-level platforms like Salesforce. Here are some core features when it comes onto Maximizer CRM. First, their contact and lead management feature. With this, you'll be able to store customer data, track interactions, and organize leads. They also offer sales pipeline tracking, which helps teams monitor deals, set reminders, and close sales faster. And it also offers marketing automation, which includes email campaigns, lead scoring, and segmentation. And when it comes onto customer service tools, you'll be able to track support cases and improve customer interactions. And Maximizer CRM has built-in reporting and analytics, so it provides real-time insights into sales and customer trends. And when it comes onto integration, it integrates with business tools as it connects with QuickBooks, Outlook, and other platforms. As you can see right here, there are numerous platforms that Maximizer CRM integrates with. And if we were to talk about use cases, when it comes onto Maximizer CRM, it is designed for small to mid-sized businesses across various industries. It's ideal for small teams as it helps track leads, manage deals, and automate follow-ups. It is also good for marketing professionals as it supports email marketing, lead segmentation, and campaign tracking. And it is also a good option for customer support teams as it helps to improve customer service with ticket tracking and response management. And if you're a business owner or manager, it provides reports and analytics for decision making. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Maximizer CRM. First, I want to say that it is easy to use, as a lot of persons talk about the user-friendly interface with a straightforward setup. It also offers customizable dashboards and reports, and it has an affordable plan compared to other enterprise-level CRMs, so I would say it is budget-friendly. And also it has a cloud and on-premise option, so this means it is flexible to deploy based on business needs, and strong customer support, as it offers training and implementation assistance. The only pullbacks I would say is it is not scalable for large enterprises, so it is better suited for small businesses than large corporations, and the user interface, some persons say it tends to feel outdated, and it has limited advanced features as it may not have the depth of automation tools found in Salesforce or HubSpot. But if we were to talk about user ratings, when it comes on to G2 ratings, it has a 4.3 out of 5 star, as it is praised for its ease of use, but some users feel the UI needs an update. And if we were to look at their pricing plan, you can see right here that you can get started for $65 per month, and it can go up to $79 per month. And with the $79 per month plan, you'll get an advanced account management, activity tracking, and target settings. And if we were to tap on learn more, you can see the different features right here. So this plan would be considered as the sales leader, and you can see the core features, multiple contact entries, interaction history, and there are numerous benefits that you will get onto this plan. There's also a demo option that you can book right here, so you could tap on book a demo so your business can test it out before committing. So is Maximizer CRM worth it? Well, if you're a small or mid-sized business looking for an easy-to-use, cost-effective CRM, Maximizer CRM is a solid choice, as it offers lead tracking, sales automation, and customer management without the complexity of enterprise CRMs. However, if you need advanced automation, AI-driven insights, or deep integrations, alternatives like HubSpot, Zoho CRM, or Pipedrive might be a better suited option for your needs. What do you think about Maximizer CRM? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.